Casey's first Easter egg. Okay. Here, Daddy. You know what you do? Put
It's the other way around.
And pick a color and put it in.
What's this, Bobby?
Where's mine?
Look,
Oh,
wait.
that. Oh, it's Easter egg.
Oh, you can let him soak.
Oh, it's an Easter egg.
You got an easy way for him to put him in?
He can just hold it with his hand.
Just put him in, baby.
What color do you want?
Put him in.
What color?
Put him in gently.
Pick a color. Orange. Okay, put the egg in there. Be gentle.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it. Put it in there.
Place it in there.
Okay, let it soak.
Look at it. Ooh. Now put it back in there.
All right. Now
Okay, here. Where's some water? Here, Casey, what color do you like? Here, get a give me this.
I want green.
Green? Okay, hold on.
I want pink. I want pink.
You want pink because it's... Okay, here's your egg. Now you can stamp your egg.
I want to try orange.
What's the matter?
What happened?
Vinegar spill.
I'm not even paying attention as I'm videoing.
These are squares. Here's a heart. Did you pick it up?
Yeah, it's right by the pink.
You don't bring the stamps, man.
Okay, let's look at Daddy's.
You want to paint? You want to paint the egg?
Yes.
In that one there, Bobby.
Oh.
You want blue? Well, hold on. We got to put water in it. Those firecrackers?
Just pour it in there, man.
Sounds like it.
Well, he said not to put that much water.
That's it. Okay, try the blue, buddy.
I'm going to make the pink one.
Here's the pink one. Here.
I got it.
How do I make them?
Alrighty, you ready to get...
Too much water.
I'm making too much water. What cover do you have?
We have that
What
napkin.
cover? What cover?
Big drink.
Oh, the yellow one.
Oh, that's gonna get black.
I'm making a pink one.
You want to put an egg in the yellow?
You want to put an egg? We already have it.
Put it in there.
This is a big one.
Don't drop it. Gentle.
This is
Unprotected and